It is Eclipse Day and it is 1:27 in the afternoon. Interstate 79 is bumper to bumper. On a good day with no traffic, it's a 2-hour drive to Erie, Pennsylvania. And that's where a lot of these people are trying to get to see the eclipse. So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is Eclipse Day.
Eclipse Day.
What time is it right now, Melissa?
Looking at the sun, it's about...
How about look at your phone?
2:50. Okay. Oh, 2:56. I was almost right.
So we're about a half hour from it really getting dark, I think. We'll report back in a little bit.
But we did start using our glasses like 15 minutes ago, and it went from like the sun having like this little notch in it to now it's like...
Third of the way, you think?
Yeah, I'm not good at thirds.
There's Jinx. She just...
Yeah, it's like this. If this is the sun, and this is the moon.
That's a scientific representation right there.
Yep.
So I'm doing a time lapse just with the GoPro, so you won't be able to really see the eclipse, but you should be able to see it get dark, you know?
Better wear the glasses.
Wear the glasses, Jinx.
No, she said no.
She don't need them. Animals are smart enough to not look right into the sun, I figure.
Right. They're smart enough to do a lot of things that humans do.
So earlier, you can tell it's kind of overcast, but it looks, Melissa, if you look up above us there, I think it's going to be clear here in a little bit. We'll have to see. Yeah. But it is kind of a weird color already. Everything's starting to kind of darken up a little bit. But we live north of Pittsburgh about 30 miles. And earlier, about an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago, I guess now, I had to travel about a half hour from here. When I was coming back, I knew traffic on Interstate 79 was going to be horrible. And I stayed off of it. So I was on Route 19 and I crossed over 79 and traffic was bumper to bumper from people trying to get to Erie, Pennsylvania, which is like, what is it, Melissa? 2 hours north of here?
Yeah.
With no traffic.
Right.
And this was like an hour and a half ago. You know what I mean? So there's no way they're going to make it. I'm just glad we are not on the roads today because
yeah.
Now if you're heading south, it'd be a great day to go to the cabin. No traffic at all heading south. So
yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Wherever we'll be.
So Melissa's trying to retrofit her glasses.
Oh, yeah.
Try to get some video of it and we'll put it in here.
Okay.
Yeah, the weather's actually better than what they expected here.
Yeah, it has been. It rained a little bit before morning, like early morning.
You look really nice today, Melissa.
Thank you.
I like your hair.
I brushed it. That's it. So Levi just came out. There's 3 of us and only 2 pairs of glasses.
And we would have had 0 pairs of glasses if it wasn't for daughter Eva.
Yes, Eva. Thank you for ordering the 5-pack.
When it comes to ordering on Amazon, Eva can get her done.
Ooh, no joke.
Always prepared.
Mike, there's so much you don't know.
So here's daughter Eva at college. Thanks for the glasses, Eva.
You're welcome.
It looks like the skies are a little clearer up there.
Can you see?
Do you see Jinx?
Yeah. Yeah, but a little more clear than here.
They slip up.
Levi, look at her.
Huh?
So
You can't see anything through these.
You can see
well,
you can see the moon over the sun, can't you?
Well, yeah, but like anything else you can't see.
Oh no, I
Yeah.
can't.
That's the
I
point.
can't.
Yeah,
They're not driving glasses.
that's why they say your
I'm
sunglasses
looking at.
don't work.
Okay, I'm looking at you under them.
Okay. Well, thanks.
Thanks, Eva.
You're welcome.
How's college, by the way?
It's fine.
So you're
It's
busy
almost over.
studying. So for me, at least, I think the more interesting part than staring like at the sun, even with the glasses on, is just the colors of everything. It just looks a lot different than what we're used to. But so it's definitely getting darker. It's 3:10 right now. where we live, it's going to be like 97% totality. So it should get a little bit darker here yet. So far, the animals don't care. You can still hear a woodpecker out there beating on a tree.
Birds, yeah.
Birds chirping, all that kind of stuff.
They have jobs, man. It's not 5 o'clock.
Yeah, they know. They didn't punch the clock yet. It's kind of a strange colors, though. Melissa said it's just darker. I guess she's right. What do you think, Jinx? So we're just about there, Melissa. What do you think?
Let me see. Oh, yeah, it's real skinny now. So it's like...
Another scientific explanation.
You're welcome.
But it's,
Maybe it'd be better if you saw it from this direction.
but it's definitely getting dark.
Uh-huh. It is. I'm going to go get my pajamas on.
Do you remember when Eva was little, what she would do
Oh, yeah.
anytime there
Do
was
you
a storm?
Remember, Levi? Anytime there's a storm, dark, rain, thunder, anything like that, she'd just go get her pajamas on.
It could be 10 o'clock in the morning. And
I'm like, yeah. She's like, I don't care. I feel safe in my pajamas.
It's
Actually, Hunter's napping, so.
yeah, Hunter took a nap through it.
Okay, now it's a real small slither.
Small slither.
Here, I think the name is Rooster's going.
Oh, yeah. I hear regular birds.
All the birds are still chirping and everything.
Unless they're like some kind of message. You know what it looks like in Pennsylvania? And if you're not from Pennsylvania, you won't understand this. It looks like it's going to rain. It always gets dark.
Yeah.
There's a lot of rain in Southwest PA.
Still, it's a different light because you have sun.
Right,
It's
it
very
is.
hard to explain. Like
It is a different
dark
light.
with
There's
sun.
like a spotlight. Looks like Mike Morgan's over there with his spotlight shining it this way. Yeah, but our shadows are, but that way
It's amazing how you only need a little bit of sun for light, though, because there can't be more than 3% of the sun showing right now. Maybe 5%.
maybe 5.
Well, it's starting to go the other way. Was it everything that you dreamed of, Melissa?
Yeah, if I dreamed about it, yeah.
Yeah.
But
It was
it was good.
it was pretty interesting. It was.
Yeah.
Like I said, we didn't get near total darkness, but at least we could see the sun.
Yeah.
But it's all
It was
good.
darkness with like a light on somewhere.
Yeah, it was not enough to turn the light on for the flag, though. It wasn't dark enough. I checked that.
You're right. Yeah.
Well, do you want to wrap this video up, Melissa?
Yeah. Thanks so much for being here. See you on the next one.